Video 221, tutorial startup mode. Now, when we go to our game, it's going to load the correct shader pipeline and zoom in at a decent depth so that we can kind of start setting tiles. This way people don't get confused when they check out our code and they're met with something like this and they're like, what the fuck is this? Because I don't always describe that you have to do 5 on the home row and then press 5 on the numpad to get somewhere useful. So now that problem is fixed. Let's go look at the code. There's not much code, really. It's just some monkey wrench macros here for misspellings of the functions in the Emma key function section, and then in the init client front end, right, where we're on the client side environment, the not Node.js environment. After we have done all of our initialization code, we go down here and in the startup mode modifications section, if we are in tutorial mode, which is the mode we're going to use for tutorials and development, we are going to emulate the key presses that need to be done. 5 key on the home row, and then pressing 5 3 times on the keypad to zoom in to the depth that I just showed you. That's it. That's all there is to it. What we did previously, what we did in this video, and if you want me to explain this a little bit more, you can go to this playlist. You are on this playlist. You can get the source code for this video as it appears right now, right here. And you can email me here. This has been video 221, tutorial startup mode. Like, subscribe, send me coffee in the mail.